how to limit who can add people to your group on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can add people to your group on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it, click on your group, and now click on your profile up there, and all you need to do is scroll down and click on permission. Now click on add members and who can add new members to your group. Choose if you are only admins or all members and click on OK, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.